Hi everyone, I'm Cinder of the Flying Pony. I'm here today to show you how to use my appliers. So I'm going to do a couple different ones. We're going to go through the basic applier, the variant marking applier, and the variant color applier. So with the basic applier, we'll use one of the newer skins. My favorite's red, Firehead. So all you do, right click add. If it doesn't apply automatically, just click this part where it's got the pretty horse head or a picture if I decide to go further, and click where. Firehead is supposed to be a red dun. Doesn't really suit a draft horse, but pretty nonetheless. That being said, we'll move on to one of the marking appliers. I'll use the newest one, Hero. Right click, add. So with the marking applier, we'll first get a look at the face. Don't mind the mess up here, this is my building area. So I need to get rid of this so I can click stuff. Bald, lots of white, blank, no white. Each one of these decides how much white is in the marking. If you notice, as I click each one, the marking changes, right? I like the blaze on a draft horse. It's really pretty, well defined on their thick faces. Now, next, we're going into the body. I use normal simply because stockings 4, if you notice, if this could just go away for a minute, we're gonna move the camera controls to here. If you notice, there is a tiny bit right here that comes up. That's because those marked stockings 4, go all the way up to the back of the legs. They're really, really tall stockings. I'll show you. All legs, stockings 4. See what I mean? Real tall. But I don't use them very often, just because I think it's too much white. But that's me. You're welcome to do what you'd like with your horses. If you want to give each leg an individual marking, you click on the leg, and that leg that corresponds with that picture will change to that marking. So front right's now plain. Front left, let's give it a sock. Boop. See? Lots of fun stuff. You can give your horse whatever markings you like. And if you decide to use stockings 4 on the back, I think that looks pretty cool. It doesn't have to be perfect. This is your horse. The variation appliers just allow you to give your horse, with a basic skin, a little more personality. Okay? Next, we'll use one of the color variations. Which one do I want to use? I'll use Drusus. So I'm gonna move it out of the way. That way you can see what's happening. Right? Okay. I like the chocolate. His face has changed colors. Now, the idea with the color variation, you should stick with the same color all the way. Because if you don't, this will happen. That doesn't look too good. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch it back to chocolate. And with this, you can go ahead and hit all legs, chocolate. Awesome! Alright. There is our dark chocolate Genesis. I will answer that question momentarily still. But yeah, that is how you use the texture appliers for your Teagle pets. If you have any questions, concerns, don't be afraid to poke me. Alright? Take care!